Hello, my lovely viewers, and welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. This video is the second part of the most useful English words and sentences. Let's get started. Our holiday is from December 18th to January 5th. Our holiday is from December 18th to January 5th. We return to school on January 6th. We return to school on January 6th. We return to work on January 6th. We return to work on January 6th. When can I book an appointment with Dr. Peters? When can I book an appointment with Dr. Peters? Can I come today? Can I come today? How may I help you? How may I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? At a store, a retailer asks, "Is there something in particular you are looking for?" Is there something in particular you are looking for? Client says, "No thanks, I'm just looking for now." No thanks, I'm just looking for now. Or you can say, "Yes, I'm looking for example, yes, I'm looking for a comfortable pair of sneakers." Yes, I'm looking for a comfortable pair of sneakers. This, that, those, these. At a bank, a client says, "I would like to open a checking and a savings account, please." I would like to open a checking and a savings account, please. Then the bank teller says, "May I see 2 pieces of ID or any proof of residency, please?" May I see 2 pieces of ID or any proof of residency, please? Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this helped you out. And please write me your comments and questions in the comment section below and I'll respond. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.